version 4.0. New keyboard shortcut combos are available for enhanced usability.
When you press keyboard shortcuts consecutively in Blender, it becomes incredibly useful. In object mode, simply pressing the G key allows you to move an object arbitrarily. However, by pressing G, then Y, you can move it with a constraint along the Y-axis. Similarly, pressing R lets you rotate, but pressing R twice enables trackball rotation. In edit mode, when you select an edge or vertex and press G, you can move it freely. However, pressing G twice allows you to move it along the edge. All the combos mentioned so far have been useful in versions before 4.0, but starting from Blender 4.0, one more extremely useful shortcut combo has been added. In object mode, press G, then press B. After that, select the desired vertex, and you can snap it to another object without enabling snap explicitly. In edit mode, selecting a vertex, pressing G, and then press B also lets you snap without needing to activate snap separately. Remember the new shortcut combo added in Blender 4.0, GB. Don't worry if you accidentally press RGB in sequence, as it will still function. So don't fret overthinking too much about the RGB color model.